what are hiring managers looking
Yeah.
for new grads out of law school, whether they're going the law route and going to be, coming back to Canada, doing their articling, or if they're going to be taking a different path and not practicing?
So Amanda, I think that that law graduates or law students really before graduation, need to realize that when they apply for their first graduate position, whether that is in a law firm or in some other, unrelated industry, everybody applying for that particular job will have some sort of degree, either a law degree, or if it's, perhaps in an accounting firm, they might have an accounting degree. So I think what employers are looking for is something that sets a graduate apart from other graduates. You need to stand out. And to do that, you really need to be thinking about building your resume from day one at law school. So first of all, studying a law degree where you have an embedded legal skills program, I think is essential. So at Bond, we're teaching our law students the legal skills that they will need upon graduation. So we're not just focusing on the theory of law, but how to actually apply that law. So how to interview a client, or how to negotiate on behalf of a client, or how to advocate on behalf of a client. So having that on your resume sends a message to an employer, prospective employer, that, if you hire me, I'm actually going to be able to start work on a client file from day one. I'm going to value add to your business. And we have to remember, law is a business like any other business. The owners of the business want to generate a profit from that business. So if you can value add in a positive way, that's a great advantage. I also think that students need to obtain as much work experience as possible. Again, you are showing your prospective employer that you actually have had opportunities to put into practice the theory of law that you've learnt at university. And similarly, get involved in law clinic programs. So at Bond, we have a law clinic program. We're the first, I believe, a law school in Australia to actually own a law firm. So Bond University has just set up its own law firm. We have a lawyer that's employed in that law firm. We have very, very generous local legal practitioners who give up their time to work with our students to provide free advice to members of the public. So again, putting that on your resume is very important. So to really sum up, I think people who are hiring graduates want a graduate that just hasn't focused on their studies at university, that they've done more than that. And it might be that they've been volunteering at a community centre, not necessarily a legal centre, or that they have held leadership positions during their time at university. So being an all-rounder.